Hey everyone, it's Mary. I'm back with a hotel room tour, and this is just such a fabulous room. I'm going to show you. So we are at the Autograph Collection Grand Hotel in Point Clear, Alabama, and this is the Nall Suite. It's spelled N-A-L-L, and this is just such a cool room. This is a historic hotel. I've stayed in a lot of rooms. I had no idea they had a room with stained glass in it and Gothic doors. You've got this little living room area right here. That's very nice. A little table and chairs, a little buffet cabinet. This is my first time. I haven't even walked through the whole suite yet. Let's see what's behind these doors. A closet with your robes and everything. Look at that velvet sofa. Oh my gosh. The room looks out to the gardens, and that is the check-in area right outside there with this beautiful old oak tree covered with moss. And let's go into the bathroom. Oh, by the way, we have a Keurig coffee maker, complimentary waters, your little ice bucket, and down here is your refrigerator. Here is the bathroom. Doesn't disappoint. A walk-in shower with, look at this marble top. Look at how thick that marble is. That's just amazing. You got all your towels, hair dryer. They have their own products that they supply you. Little chandelier sconces, a makeup mirror. Look at the rugs. Isn't that something? Check out those rugs. Amazing. What is this little box? Oh, it is a charging box. I don't see USB ports. Maybe they're on the front. Yep, USB ports, so you can charge all your devices. A little chest right there. This is probably an adjoining door. Yep, it's for an adjoining room, which we do not have. Some little botanical prints on the wall. And look at these Gothic style doors. And the carving, the hand carved wood, that is something. Here's the other door right here. This room. This is a, I think they said a deluxe king suite, maybe. It's got a pelmet over the door. Now that view right there is not that great, but the pelmet with, looks like hand carved wood with some gold gilt is pretty nice. TV cabinet. It has, you don't see this in many rooms. You have a gentleman's vanity stand with a shoehorn and a shoe polishing cloth. Look at that tree out there. Amazing. And let's see what you can see out this way. There's beautiful gardens and walkways right over there. And here is the room. Here's a view of the stained glass window from the bedroom. And this old dark wood furniture. Well, it's not old. It's made to look old, I believe. And moldings. Look at that. The ceilings are not really very high in this room, which is probably because of the age of the room. looking to see, there's a telephone. There is a clock. And there are your USB ports where you can plug in your devices. Oh, here's a shoe polishing thing. That's pretty cool. You don't see that in many rooms. Let's see if there's anything. Nothing inside here, just storage. Just storage in there. And look at these doors from this side. Wow. Look at that lintels. You see that detail up there? Look at that. Oh, there are some cobwebs. Well, it's a historic hotel, so that makes sense. And there's the back side of this door. So, this is Mary deSilva, Cajun DIY Diva, and this is the Grand Hotel in Point Clear, Alabama. Oh, there's another pelmet up above this closet. Look at that. It should be in a French chateau. That's amazing. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at that. I love velvet. And click like and always subscribe, and please share. If you know anyone, this is a fantastic resort, very family oriented, but also very romantic for couples. Here's a little write-up about this suite. So probably from the designer. I'll have to check that out and read the whole thing. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.